Hello, this is Dr. Saad. Today I'm going to show some projects done by my students from Qatar Armed Forces. It's all about the Microsoft Excel projects done by Visual Basic. So if you want to go to the developer option, you can open the Visual Basic or macros. Okay, so it will show up what codes we have over here. So this is a Visual Basic, Microsoft Visual Basic application. We call it as VBA as well. So all of the projects over here we have done with the Visual Basic with the codings. So if you guys want to learn how it works, we just show you one by one. So first of all, this is a website performance dashboard. All right. So over here, our raw data are all over here. So we have total 6 days, and we are just monitoring our website performance. Maybe we have a new website and we want to check the performance of the website. So how many visitors were there and page view, how many was there. And also we can check organic paid or refill or not. So let's start the performance. So we, instead of showing the raw data to your company or to someone interested about your performance of your website, you can show it with visual graph. So it's nice to see the graphs and how it works. So let's see our raw, if I change the raw data, is it changing the graphs or not? So over here, the pages, we have some day one is more visits over here. Let's check we can change something or not. So over here, we have page views. Okay. And I put 40,000 over here on day one. So instead of 40,000, if I put maybe 400 views on day one, let's see it's changed or not. Let's say the performance. See, the day one is 400 and all the above are higher. So it changes with the, so other one 4,200. So I just put 4,000 over here. Let's see the performance now. So it's all close to this one. So your performance and versus traffic, whatever you want over here, it will change. Also the graphs over here will change according to the raw data. Okay, anything you change over here, it will show in the graph. Okay, so the next one, we want to show you how to work with the automatic data entry form. Maybe we have a lot of stuffs or a lot of data you have in your hands and you want to add it in the Excel. So instead of doing it one by one, maybe we can do something mistakes, right? Sometimes when we are putting the information, we can do some mistakes. So this is my database I have created using the options over here. Let's see how it works. Let's click the launch form. And now I want to put an ID, new ID. Maybe this is my ID. I want to put my name. Okay, I'm going to select my gender. Then the department. Maybe I'm working with HR. Then my city is Doha. Then I put Qatar over here. And I want to save the data. Let's see. So it's asking me, do you want to save the data or not? So yes. So yeah, my data is over here. Okay. Maybe I want to put something again. Okay. And I want to reset it. Maybe I did a mistake. I just put mistake, and by mistake I put something wrong. I just want to reset the data. Just click over here. Do you want to reset the form? Yes. Just reset it. Okay. Now if I want to look at the database, I have to first close this automatic data entry form version. And let's see my new data is there or not. So let's the database. Yes, my new ID, my name is appearing, my department is there, and also saying that who is saved by. It's saved by Saad is the name of my computer. So it's recorded that Saad has saved it on 4th of May 2020 at 2:06 a.m. So it's now 2:07 a.m. So just 1 minute ago I saved this data. Okay. So the next one, we can show you how it works about sales representative performance. Maybe I have a company and I have 4 or 5 or 6 sales representative, and I want to show my boss or someone how they're performing. So instead of showing the raw data, what we have over here, just a big chunk of data that we have created. Okay, instead of showing what are they doing on the performance. Okay, so we have Micah sales. We can put more pictures of the salesperson. So the names are there. I can put in data anytime I want, the region, product, color, units, and revenue. Okay, so if I click over here, go down, okay, and I want to see more over here, so I want to put the data over here. I can just add one by one, okay, and I can select the product. You can select the color of the product and units, okay. You can also check the revenue, okay, how much you want to put for the revenue, and the performance will be showing up over here. So I can check how much Adam is doing, what is the performance, where is he selling, which region is good. Is he good in East region? Is he good in South region or West? So I can check. Same thing for Julie. I can check his region. I can also check by year. How was their performance last year, previous year, whatever you want. Okay. Now, let's see the next project we have. It's a pixel constant travel cost dashboard. Okay. So some companies, they have a representative who work for travel, who has expenses in travel accommodation. They have to go outside. So I can check by year, by month, how much is their expenses altogether. I can also check individually how area is doing, what is their expenses, what is robot is doing. I can also check all together how much they're spending, who is spending more, Aryan, or Bran, or John, or Robert, who is spending more. I can check, okay. And I can also check by for accommodation how much they're spending, who is spending more on accommodation, who is spending more on daily allowances or transport. I can check who is spending on what. I can also check by person, so how much Sansa spent on transport or accommodation. You can check whatever over here. So graphs will be changing over here as well according to your project. So the actual data is over here. So it's a huge amount of data over here. It's hard to find who is doing what from here and who is spending more or less. So if you, instead of giving this data to your company manager or the boss, okay, you can show them the dashboard, who is doing what. So it goes, just go back to this part, and if I go back to the real cost of all, I can show him in a glance who is spending more on other stuff. So you have to put in the budget of the people, what is the budget they have, allowances. Then you can have the mechanics of all the months, years, delta, accommodation costs, transport costs, you can give up. And for the lookups, you can put the name of the employees you have. Okay, if you change over here, it will change over there. You can add more, and the months are there, indexing, which are on 18. If you want to change, you can make it 20 or 18. The next one is about attendance sheet. So some schools and offices, they're using the attendance sheet. Okay, so instead of using the website, you can use an Excel sheet for your company. So you can change the January, February, whatever you have over here. Let's say January, and they can go to 1 February. Now we are on May, March, month May. I want to see my attendance. So whatever I change over here, so I can see the total data over here. So the full, if it's someone is full day present, I will put P. Someone is half day present, I will have to put A. And if someone is full day absent, I have to put A. And if someone is half day present, I have to put H. Okay, so let's see if I put someone present for this all day. So how is data change? Okay, his data is changing. Maybe these all guys were not present during these 4 days. Okay, so this data is also changing over here. Okay, now if I want to check for other over here, so maybe we have some public holiday. Okay, so go back to the helper. So the January, we have the New Year's Day, 1st of January, right? So New Year's Day is a holiday. So if I go to January, let's see, January is, first day is green, one is off day, so it will automatically count over here. So Tuesday also off day. I put Tuesday, Makar Sanskriti holiday, 14th of January was an off day, public holiday. So the green will be appear as a public holiday. So you didn't have to put anything. If you do not put anything over here, it will not count it as an absent. Okay. Now, if I want to copy, maybe my January, the month of January is gone. I want to go for February. So I will go to copy sheet. Okay. So January will be recorded over here. All right. Now, if I want to go to month of April or May or February, then I have entered all the data of the present and absent. Again, I will do the copy sheet. It will be added over here. Okay. Then if I want to clear the information of February, I just clear all the data over here. Okay. And it will be recorded in the following manner. So January, February is that there. So we have, if I delete all of them one by one, okay. So maybe I don't need it anymore. I don't need January anymore. I just delete it. You can delete the sheets over here. And still on this one as well. Now I want to record for May. Okay, this is my May data. I will just keep on copy sheet. So automatically sheet of May is there. Even I delete from the attendance sheet, clear everything. Okay, it will go off and add a new sheet as the month. So all the months will be recorded one by one. The next one over here is a form. Again, the employee data entry form in different way, but the good thing is over here we can modify the data. Okay, so if I put some new data over here, maybe my ID is 1234, my employee name is Saad, my gender is, I cannot write it over here, I have to select from there, male. So it's a drop down menu again. So this one is also drop down menu. I have to select, maybe I'm working in HR and my salary is 3,000. My address is Doha. Okay, now I want to save the data. Let's see, I click on save. Okay, do you want to save this data or not? Yes, I want to save this data. Go back to database. Okay, so then my new data is added over here. So I'm working on HR. Yes, I have saved on 2:15 a.m. It's saved over here, 2:15 a.m. of 4th of May 2020. Okay, now the nice thing over this sheet is like I can modify data. So there's serial number is over here 6. So I want to check. Let's see, I go to the form. I want to modify the data of the 6. Maybe I make some mistakes and just click on modify. Do you want to modify or not? Yes. Now give me the serial number. Which one you want to modify? I just click on 6 and I press OK. So my data appeared over here. Okay. Now maybe I put a wrong address. I need to complete the address. I need to put Doha and Qatar, and I just want to save it. Okay. Just click on yes. Let's see. Go back to our database. Now my address changed, Doha, Qatar. Instead of Doha, it's now Doha, Qatar. So now that change is there, and also who submitted this one is recorded. So which employee recorded this data will be also appeared in this one. So Saad has done these things because my computer name is Saad, so it's automatically appeared over here. All right, the last one, but not the least, it's a bit easy one, how it works with Gantt chart. Okay, maybe most of you guys know how to put a Gantt chart. Instead, I just want to show you how it works. Okay, so maybe I have 8 tasks for the whole year, and I have to complete it in different days and different times. So instead of showing the data for your company manager, you can show them with the Gantt chart. It looks very nice. So anything I change over here, it will appear on the data system. So instead of 9, maybe I took long time, maybe I took 19 days, and just put over here and see my information is changed over here. So this is simple Gantt chart to show your work progress, how long it takes, which tasks you have completed, and which date you have started, and how long you have spent to complete this task. All right, this is all about our Microsoft Excel. So it's all, most of them are done with Visual Basic. Okay, all the codes are there. If you want to learn, just let me know, we can help. All right then, thank you guys to be with us. and hope to see you soon for our next video.